Red Earth Dough Company is based in Alva, Oklahoma. With experience, skill, and the science of yeast, we produce pre-proofed, flash-frozen pizza crusts. These crusts are designed to go directly from freezer to topping to oven. Our controlled pre-proofing and -20-degree freezing is what makes this possible. The crusts bake in about 7 minutes in any popular pizza oven. They move from freezer directly to topping while frozen and straight into the oven. This is the story of a product we have been making for more than 20 years, told from a pizza shop owner's perspective. Most pizza shops do not struggle to make one great pizza. They struggle to make hundreds of them, night after night. They do it with the same people, the same space, and the same margins. That is the real challenge. Independent pizza shops win on their toppings, their sauces, their bake, and their service. That is where the art lives. Dough is not where creativity lives. Dough is where labor, timing, and waste quietly add up. You will sometimes see kitchens add extra machines and a quick hand spin of the dough just before the topping line. That step is not there because the dough needs it. The fermentation, structure, and performance were already set earlier in the process. The hand spin is for the camera, not the dough. Red Earth moves that work upstream using controlled fermentation, precision proofing, and process consistency. That way, the kitchen does not have to fight dough just to look authentic. Every pizza shop makes an early morning decision about how dough enters the kitchen. There are 3 common ways: scratch dough, frozen dough balls, and pre-proofed frozen crusts. Each one changes how the kitchen works. Scratch dough turns part of a pizza shop into a small food factory. Ingredients are received, stored, mixed, rested, portioned, balled, and proofed. Staff clock in hours early before the first order is ever placed. If timing is missed or the rush is larger than expected, quality drops or dough gets thrown away. That is labor and money spent before a single pizza is sold. Frozen dough balls remove mixing, but timing still rules the day. They must be thawed, proofed, and used within a narrow window. Sales have to be guessed ahead of time, and quality still suffers. Pre-proofed frozen crusts change the starting line. The dough has already been fermented and proofed to a controlled target. The structure is set, and the yeast activity is precision paused. The crusts are then flash frozen to lock everything in place. They are designed to be used directly from the freezer. They are topped while frozen and go straight into the oven. They are not thawed, rested, or reproofed. The oven finishes the process the same way every time, from freezer to topping, to oven to finished pizza. About 7 minutes per pizza, not once, but continuously. As pizzas get thicker and toppings become more generous, heat still needs time to reach the center. Some assume bake time is only about the crust because it starts frozen. In reality, the crust bakes quickly. It is the toppings, especially proteins, that benefit from controlled time. High-energy ovens are excellent at crisping the crust and cooking the surface. Aggressive intensity adds constraints, not flexibility. 7 minutes provides margin for generous builds, consistent doneness, and repeatable quality. Order after order, all night long. Less prep means fewer early shifts. Fewer steps mean easier training. Easier training leads to better retention. Calmer kitchens, more predictable nights, and better results. These pressures are now structural in the pizza business, not exceptions. Pre-proofed frozen crusts also allow more usable inventory and less space. There are no pallets of flour, no dough rooms, and no ingredient storage taking over the kitchen. Just finished crusts ready when the rush hits. By eliminating dough production, shops avoid buying equipment they do not actually need. Mixers, proofing rooms, extra refrigeration, and additional HVAC are no longer required. Red Earth Dough Company invested more than $60 million in fermentation, proofing, freezing, and process control, so pizza shop owners do not have to. Simpler systems scale better, whether it is a first store or a third. The same dough, the same timing, and the same results carry store to store. Owners keep their hands in the art of toppings and their focus on customers. The time gained is spent where it matters most.
Red Earth dough makes all the difference.
If tonight's crowd is double what was expected, dough does not become the problem. From freezer to topping line to oven, about 7 minutes per pizza. Lane after lane and rack after rack. There is no thawing, no proofing, and no wasted product. Calmer kitchens, predictable labor, and consistent results follow. If it is helpful, Steve, Tanya, or Lyle will come to your shop, bring samples, and make pizzas with you. There is no pressure, just better pizza, made easier with value-added products. And our new label, Red Earth Dough Co.'s. We have a company slogan and deliver it every day. Keep you hands in the art, and let Red Earth handle the dough. All the science and tech of the big chains, without the chain.
Welcome to Alva's Best Pizza with Red Earth Crust.
AI is amazing, but it's also very literal. Ask for chefs, you get runway models. Ask for chaos, you get stressed dough guys. Ask for a big, husky, famous pizza chef, and you get a literal husky dog with a gold medal. But here's the part it nailed. The workflow. Freezer, Red Earth, pre-proofed frozen crust, toppings, oven. Perfect process flow. Perfect kitchen layout. Perfect use of REDC product engineering. So yes, the chef is a dog, but the process is world-class. Meet our unofficial AI mascot, the Husky Chef, powered by Red Earth Dough technology.